Good morning. Welcome to Misty Mountain Homestead, and my name is Leanna. Today we'll be making lunch. It's a pea soup in the Instant Pot. It's a simple, economical, but delicious pea soup, and it's so simple to make. I'll put the recipe in the comments, down below. So it's 2 cups of split peas, 5.5 cups of water with bouillon cubes, 1 package of shredded carrots. We freeze them like 2 cups like ahead of time. When it's in carrot season, sometimes we grow our carrots and we just shred them by 2 cups for most recipes, like carrot muffins and things like that. So then you just grab a bag, and you're ready to go. I usually do the same thing with celery chunks. However, I just happen to have some fresh celery on hand. So I just chopped some, about the same amount, about a cup or so, or 2 of celery, and 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cumin, a 1/4 of a cup of dehydrated minced onion. You could use just regular minced onion yourself. It's just quicker. Always have some available usually, and a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a couple bay leaves. Bay leaves, it's one thing that if you don't put them in, you're not going to notice, but it just adds flavor. And lots of cracked pepper. So I already pre-measure my things here. So here's 2 cups of peas, split peas. You can use yellow split peas or green split peas. It doesn't really matter. It's your preference. I just happen to have green. I buy them in bulk, so I just use green. And I have 5.5 cups of water. It would be a lot better if you have a lot of chicken stock or anything like that. That would be really good too. Or any stock really. Any bouillon would do. I just don't have that much, and I like to keep it for like chicken soup and things like that. So usually I just get these bouillon cubes. These are organic, and I know I can make my own. I can make my own pretty much everything, but it's impossible. As much as you want to make everything from scratch your own by yourself, you just cannot do it all. It's impossible. So some stuff just doesn't get done like that, but that's okay. I think I'm gonna try next year to make my vegetable bouillon cubes. So, and here I already mix all my salt, pepper, turmeric, cumin, garlic powder. Yeah, it's all in here. So we'll just put that to the mix. And my onion, celery, and about a tablespoon. I'm not good at measuring. I measure more when I do videos because you kind of have to show it. Otherwise, I just plonk stuff in there. I'm not good at measuring. I eyeball pretty much everything. And this is the honey from my sister's honeybee. It's not local. She lives far away, but it's awesome honey. And my 2 bay leaves. I'm going to put this in the Instant Pot for high pressure for 15 minutes and slow release for 15 minutes. And just hold in a second, we'll show you that. So we just put this in. You close the lid, put the vent at sealed. This is a 6-quart. I also have an 8-quart. I use that for bigger batches things. And I always put manual. And what did I say? 15 minutes. Oops. 15 minutes, and we'll just wait. We're gonna shut her off. We're gonna release the rest of the pressure that is in there. Ooh, a little bit of smoky. And voila. Did I put the carrots in there? I don't see any carrots in there. Oh my god, I forgot the carrots. Okay, well I think I can still add them on and maybe just cook it for another 5 minutes or so. Geez, it seems like lately I always forget one ingredient in pretty much everything I make. So yes, I did forget my carrots. Oh well. We'll just add it on. And if you like your pea soup a little more smooth, you can always put a little immersion blender in there and just look a few shots. Not too much, you don't want it too soupy. But that's pretty much it. And that's done in no time. And there's only one pot to clean, and that's about it. So it also tastes delicious. So if you do like this recipe, click the subscribe button because there'll be more to come. And you can click the little bell button too, so you'll be notified on the next video. However, I do have some video. This is a homestead, some video on gardening, permaculture, food forests, canning, preserving, obviously cooking everything from scratch, and things like that. So, but if you like, anyway, please share with on your social media. That would also help my channel a lot. So thank you for watching and have a great day.